Restoration One has been life-changing. It's created so many opportunities, not just for our family, but for our employees as well. I'm David.
And I'm Marissa Hofstetter.
And welcome to a day in the life of a Restoration One franchisee.
We're just getting their breakfast ready because they will be hangry if they do not get fed.
Once we eat, I'm going to go drop Reese off. I'll come back here to have that meeting with you. I want to go to new office, check on progress. I'd like for you to join me. And then from there, we'll go stop by that mold job that we're starting, and we'll end at the office today. Go check in, do an L10, and check in with leadership. So go with that.
Yep.
The house we live in now, we lived in another home north of here. 28 inches of rain in 2 days, I think, or 3 days was the final kind of tally there. So yeah, this area experienced a 100-year flood. Our house flooded. We had a few inches of water. And when I started cutting out my own sheetrock, I don't know, something came over me to say, actually, this was kind of not fun, but I enjoyed it. The business started in our garage, the house we just mentioned. Kicked Marissa out of the garage for shelving to put all the stuff. I've actually got a picture on my phone of the day that I went and picked up all of our equipment and the cardboard mess of boxes everywhere from all the air movers, the dehumidifiers, all the equipment, all the stuff. After 3 months, we realized that we're going to do this. It probably doesn't need to be out of our house. We were ready to hire our first employee at that point. And something about this person coming to my house just didn't seem legitimate, you know? So we found a very small office in the industrial-plex area of Baton Rouge, and the rent was too good to be true. So that was our first facility. Man, that was our first storefront. Hey everyone, David and Marissa Hofstetter here with Restoration One of East Baton Rouge.
Welcome to our office. Let's go check it out. At Restoration One of East Baton Rouge, we offer 24/7 emergency services for water, fire, and mold. And it just doesn't just stop at that. We are a turnkey firm that can help you recover through mitigation, contents cleaning and storage, and the rebuild to make you whole again.
That process generally starts with obviously a phone call or us being made aware that something has happened. We dispatch immediately, regardless of the time of day. We show up, we very quickly gather an idea of what has happened. What was the source of why it is we're there? Was it a water leak? Was it a fire? Is it mold, biohazard, any of those services we offer? Usually
when someone calls us, they've never experienced something like this before. So with our knowledge and expertise, experience in this industry, we're able to guide them through the entire process and then just give them an expectation of what the scope is, what the steps are. When it comes to customer care, our team truly cares about the people that we're serving. Customer experience for us is the top priority. Our job is to physically get them back into their property, but for us, there's so much emotional load that goes with what it is we're doing that we have to look at the person first, and we have to make sure that they're okay, and we'll worry about the rest later.
We're gonna call one of our sales reps and just check in with them, see how their day is.
Hello.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Fantastic. Hey, day off to a pretty good start?
Yep. Just busy, fixing to go to a little mold job, and kind of from there, go see some agents and stuff.
Cool. We're here out at the job site. Got a few folks with me here I want to introduce, and then we're going to walk you guys through the scope that we actually performed today. We've got some tools with us that are going to help us do kind of a quality control check. We use our FLIR camera to, and what that has revealed is potentially an area that's wet, so we're going to follow up with a moisture meter. That's how we inspected this to say, yep, to confirm that area is wet. This is an area of concern we should pay attention to.
As the business has grown, David and I have grown not only as professionals, but as business partners. I could not ask for a better husband and business partner, but I also could not ask for a better father to raise our sons from boys to men. He is the example of hard work. No excuses. Nobody cares. Just do what you got to do. And that is so important to us, for our sons to believe that and to live that. I think this business is a true testament of that. There's been lots of challenges, but you just have to keep moving. You learn from it and you keep moving. So
people have asked me in the past why I decided to do this outside of the things we've already discussed in terms of being in control of my own schedule. For me, it's legacy. I want to leave something behind. I want for my grandchildren one day to say, oh, that was, I don't know what the kids are going to call you, but I'm good with grandpa. Like, that was grandpa's building. It's not just the stuff, but it's like, man, I want to be able to set up. It's not because of I didn't have this or that, but man, for me, that's what I want. I so want to create legacy.